Redmi K20 series was a very hyped series and got a good response from the users. Same can't be said about Redmi K30 series. The K30 was rebranded as Poco X2 and users were not happy about that. Use of LCD panel was also disappointing. But Redmi has got some great plans for 2021. Yes, Redmi is launching Redmi K40 series very soon. According to current leaks, Redmi K40 and K40 Pro will be the two new smartphones in this series, and hopefully after their Chinese launch, Redmi will launch these smartphones in India. In today's video, we will be talking about the biggest and best among the two, that is Redmi K40 Pro, which will be the cheapest smartphone with a Snapdragon 888 chipset from Redmi. So guys, this is Sulaiman Khan and let's start. We have discussed the specifications, features and leaks of the regular Redmi K40 in a separate video. So if you are interested, you can check that video out. So earlier Redmi product director Wang Tang Thomas has confirmed that Redmi is working on the Redmi K40 and K40 Pro. He also said that these smartphones will feature AMOLED display panel with higher refresh rate. Li Jun, the Xiaomi CEO, has also confirmed the same. So now the question arises that when can we see these smartphones? Rumors indicate a February launch, though the actual launch date can change a bit, so take it with a pinch of salt. Now let's talk about what features and specs K40 Pro will bring with it. So first of all, it will feature Snapdragon 888 5G chipset, which I have told you earlier. K40 Pro will feature a glass metal design with gradient finish. On front, it will get an AMOLED display panel with 120Hz refresh rate, so that's really smooth. Leaks indicate that K40 Pro will ditch the pop-up mechanism. Instead, it will feature a hole punch display panel. Now, I don't really have any problem with pop-up mechanism, but use of punch hole panel means additional safety to the device. There is no news about the integration of fingerprint scanner, but as it will use an AMOLED display panel, an in-display fingerprint scanner can be expected. Redmi previously integrated fingerprint scanner in the power buttons, and that approach would also be nice. Talking about the rear panel, this is the concept of Redmi K40 Pro. This is not the final design, but it is very close to final design. There is this huge camera module, and just by looking at it, you can guess that Redmi is planning to use an 108 megapixel sensor here. Along with it, it will feature an ultra wide angle sensor and possibly a telephoto lens. The Redmi K40 Pro will feature dual stereo speakers, which is a nice news. The smartphone will feature a battery capacity of around 4500 mAh. It will support 27 watt or 33 watt fast charging for sure, but inclusion of even faster charging speed like 65 watt would be a treat. Currently there is no news about pricing, but we will have that soon. So keep subscribed if you want to stay updated about the Redmi K40 Pro. We have discussed the specs, features and leaks of the regular Redmi K40 in a separate video. So if you are interested, you can check that video out. So guys, that's it for today. Hope you have enjoyed a lot. Thank you.